So if you open the side inspection cover, what you're going to find is a metal spring that's coiled up. As you can see in this case, it has come off, and so it's as simple as setting it back into that notch. However, there's a notch here in the center, and I'll show you in a minute, there's another notch towards the top. Okay, so there's two notches, one here and one here. So you want to make sure that it's on the outside and the inside. Okay, so it's got to be going in here and there. Okay, now sometimes you'll remove this and see that it broke. Here's a piece of this spring. So sometimes that's what happens. Okay, so next you're going to want to wind the hose up without moving the barrel. So push this hose through here and wind it. If you want, you can take off other attachments if that makes it easier to wind it up. But once it's wound up with no tension on it, now as we pull it, it's going to start tightening it. So hopefully this solves your problem. This is what it was in my case, and if you have any questions or any comments, go ahead and put it in the description. And thanks for watching.